Hello guys, so for today's lesson on math, we are going to be doing Tuesdays, week 2, getting there on time, page 70. So look for this in your packet and let's get started. So getting there on time, directions. Dion needs to get to meetings with customers on time. Draw hands on the clock to show the time. So Dion arrives in his office at 8 a.m. So draw the hands here, 8 a.m. Dion has to meet his customer in Morgantown 5 hours later. What time is his meeting? So from 8 a.m. he has to meet a customer 5 hours later. So write it here, write the hands here, and let's move on. So answer. If it takes Dion about 2 hours to meet his customer, what is the latest time he can leave his office? Is it 9 a.m., 10 a.m., or 11? And that's it for this.